Trying to learn Korean? Get the lessons that are perfect for you. Click here to get your free lifetime account. You are at a lost and found office at a train station where you're hoping to retrieve a wallet that you've lost. The staff member presents you with a form to fill out. What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? The form states that you need to fill out your name, address, phone number, and a description of your lost property.
이름, 주소, 전화번호, 유실물 특징.
You are on a platform at a train station where you've been waiting for your train. It appears to be running late. Suddenly, a message appears on the display. What does the message on the display mean? What does the message on the display mean? The display reads, "Train services on this line have been canceled due to an accident on the train tracks. We apologize for the inconvenience."
이 선로는 철도 사고로 인해 열차 운행이 취소되었습니다. 불편을 끼쳐드려서 죄송합니다.
You are at a train station where you're trying to reserve a seat on an express train using a ticket machine. A special notice is posted on the machine. Which option should you use to reserve a seat on the express train? Which option should you use to reserve a seat on the express train? The notice says that you should go to the counter if you would like to reserve a seat on an express train.
직통열차 좌석 예약을 원하시면 창구로 가세요.
You've just arrived at your destination and you're attempting to exit the train station. Unfortunately, the exit you usually take is blocked by some ongoing renovations. A signboard is posted informing you of another route. How should you proceed? How should you proceed? The sign tells you that if you take the escalator in the opposite direction up to the second floor, there is the east exit on the right corner.
반대편 방향의 에스컬레이터를 타고 2층으로 올라가시면 오른쪽 코너에 동쪽 출입구가 있습니다.
You are at a train station reading a leaflet that you found at the train station. The leaflet is advertising a new shopping center that just opened. How do you get to the new shopping center? How do you get to the new shopping center? The leaflet says that you can use platform 4 or platform 2 if it's a Sunday to get to the new shopping center.
4번 승강장, 단 일요일에는 2번 승강장.
You're reading an event guide and are going to see an upcoming art event. What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? The description reads that if you bring your own food or drinks, they will be subject to confiscation.
음식이나 음료를 가져오시면 압수 대상이 됩니다.
You're planning to buy an instant meal. How much water do you add and what do you do once it's added? How much water do you add and what do you do once it's added? You add 100 cc's of boiling water, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then stir the contents.
100cc의 끓는 물을 추가합니다. 3분에서 5분 기다린 다음 내용물을 젓습니다.
You're at the clothing store and want to try on a few shirts. How many items are allowed in the fitting room? How many items are allowed in the fitting room? The notice says that a maximum of 3 items per customer are permitted inside the fitting room.
고객 한 명당 최대 3개까지 탈의 실내에 허용됩니다.
After paying for your shirt, you notice the return policy is printed on the receipt. What items are excluded from the return policy? What items are excluded from the return policy? The sentence means, please note that all sale items are excluded from this policy and are non-returnable.
모든 세일 상품은 이 정책에서 제외되며 반품이 불가합니다.
With your receipt, you also received a coupon. Where do you have to present the coupon? Where do you have to present the coupon? It says, present this coupon at the counter at the time of purchase to receive a 20% discount on all items.
구매 시 이 쿠폰을 카운터에 제시하시고 모든 품목에서 20% 할인을 받으세요.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.